Good morning, children. Today we discuss about the translatory motion, rotatory motion, and oscillatory motion. Translatory motion, rotatory motion, and oscillatory motion. In the last class, we discussed about the uniform motion of a body and the non-uniform motion of a body. What is meant by uniform motion of a body? If a body covers, if a body or object or any car, any vehicle covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, then that body is in uniform motion. That body is said to be in uniform motion. That is a uniform motion of a body. What is meant by non-uniform motion of a body? What is meant by non-uniform motion of a body? If a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Then that body is said to be in non-uniform motion. So we learned in the last class types of motion. The types of motion, page number 31. Most of first diagram, most of car is called linear motion. This car is in linear motion or rectilinear motion or translatory motion. Rotating fan. This fan is in rotatory motion. Sewing machine. Needle. The needle is in to and fro motion, back and forth motion. Seconds hand or minutes hand. In the the pendulum in the wall clock. Pendulum. The pendulum in the wall clock. It is in the oscillatory motion. The pendulum in the wall clock is the oscillatory motion. Now we learn about this translatory motion, rotatory motion. Translatory motion. Second one, rotatory motion. Third one, oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. Translatory motion, rotatory motion, oscillatory motion. Here in this diagram, the bus moves from or traveling from A to B on the straight road. The bus traveling from A to B. So the bus is in the straight line motion or translatory motion or rectilinear motion. Entire bus wheels, bus body, bus steering, seats of bus, entire bus changes the place from A to B in the straight line direction. So the bus is in translatory motion. Okay, here see the page number 32. So do all parts of the bus from A to B. Here A bus started from the point A and reaches the point B tree. From point B tree. First question, do all the parts of the bus. All the parts of the bus means bus vehicles, bus wheels, bus headlights, windows, seats, etc. move along from A to B. Yes, the all parts of the bus moves along from A to B in the straight line direction. Is the direction of motion bus along a straight line or curved line? Is the direction of the bus in this diagram? Direction of the bus is in the straight line. Is in the straight line. Okay. Here look at this table. All of you students, look at this table. First one. Soldiers marching in a parade. Parades లో సోల్జర్స్ మార్చింగ్ చేస్తున్నారు. మార్చింగ్ అది ఏ మోషన్? స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ మోషనా, కర్వర్డ్ మోషనా? కర్వర్డ్ లైన్ మోషనా, స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ మోషనా? సోల్జర్స్ మార్చింగ్ చేస్తా వెళ్తాయి. దట్ సోల్జర్స్ మార్చింగ్ ఇస్ ఏ ఇన్ ఏ parade is a straight line motion. So tick the straight line. Tick the straight line. Car taking a turn on road. Car taking a turn on road. Straight line motion or it is a curved line motion? Car taking a turn on road. So it is a car is in a curved line motion. Taking a turn. So the car is in a curved line motion. Tick on second one. The car taking a turn on road. Tick the second one. Curved line second one. Stone dropped from a height. Stone dropped from a stone dropped from a height. It is a straight line or a curved line? So stone is in straight line motion. So mark tick on the straight line. Running race along a road. Running race along a road. Running race, it is a straight line motion. This is a straight line motion. Tick on straight line. Running race along a track on a ground. Along a track on ground, it is a curved line. Along a track on ground, it is a curved line. Tick on curved line. Movement of bicycle on road. Movement of bicycle on road is a curved line. Is a curved line, not a straight line. It is a on road, the traffic road. It is a compulsory is a curved line. Okay, students. If all parts of the body moves in a direction of motion, all parts of the bus moves in the direction of motion. In the direction of bus. All parts of the bus moves in the direction of the bus. Then the motion is said to be translatory motion. If the all parts of the body moves in the direction of the motion of bus, for example of bus, then the bus is in translatory motion. Bus is in translatory motion. What is meant by translatory motion? If the all parts of the body moves in the direction of motion, all parts of the body, bus wheels, bus steering, bus windows and bus seats, total all parts of the bus moves from point A to point B. So that bus is in the translatory motion. Okay, the bus is in moves from direction of motion. It is a translatory motion. If a body in translatory motion, if a body moves in a translatory motion, but moves along a straight line, the body moves in a translatory motion. The entire parts of the body moves along the direction of motion. It is called the translatory motion. If a body moves in a translatory motion in a straight line, in a straight path, then the motion of a body is called rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion of a body. body. What is meant the rectilinear motion of a body? If your body moves in a translatory motion, in the straight line, in the straight path, then the motion of that body is called rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion. If a body moves in a translatory motion, okay, body in a translatory motion, but it moves in a curved path, curved line. It moves in a curved line, curved path or curved line. Then the motion of body is called curvilinear motion. Curvilinear motion. Rectilinear motion, straight line motion, and curved moves on curved path. Moves on curved path. It is called curvilinear motion. Curvilinear motion. Rectilinear. First one, rectilinear. Rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion. Second one, curvilinear. Curvilinear motion. Curvilinear motion. Okay. The body moves in translatory motion. Translatory motion moves in a straight line. So then the motion of body is called rectilinear motion. The body moves in translatory motion and in the curved path. Moves on the curved path. So then the motion of that body is called curvilinear motion. Rectilinear motion, curvilinear motion. Okay, to mark seconds hand of a watch seconds hand, curvilinear motion. Curvilinear motion means C, put C in the bracket. Movement of a train on track. Curvilinear direction. C. Movement of a tape in a tape recorder. This is a linear motion, rectilinear motion, curvilinear motion, both in the tape. RC, put RC. Movement of needle in the speedometer, curvilinear direction. All of you see the textbook page number 33. Movement of a bus on hill station road, curvilinear direction. Motion of coin on a carrom board, rectilinear direction, straight line direction. Motion of ball in pinboard, curvilinear direction. Motion of mango falling from tree, that is a rectilinear motion. R, put R, small r. Okay, children, we will discuss the motion of rotatory motion and translatory motion in the next class, the types of motions. Okay, children.